I'm trying to trade here for just probably 20%. I'm waiting for a perfect entry. I've already gotten my signal. For some days now, I've not been able to trade, so I just felt like, there you go, I've made my entry. So let's check the trade if it has pulled through. Now I may have to pause if it's taking a while because it's just reversing a bit now. So I may have to pause. When the trade is over, I'll be right back. Okay, now trade has pulled through. Now this is under 1 minute. So I've made $6 from $30. When we say anybody can do this, it's easy, but you see, it's not everybody that is patient. A lot of people want to hammer before their time. If you will learn, you will follow instruction, you will do according to what you are taught, you will make money. God bless you. See you in another video.